How you doing? I'm working on a 1994 Chevy S10 pickup. Right now I'm replacing the brake booster. Remove the master cylinder. Remove the brake booster. Right here, then you go inside the cab and remove those 4 bolts there. Located here, you have to remove that panel, and there's 4 bolts, as you can see here, attaching the brake booster. That's attached to the master cylinder, which goes here, and it goes bad when you hear the hissing noise and your brake paddle's real soft. And also bleed the brakes when you're done. That completes my video.